Hello beautiful souls, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today's pick a card reading is for this week for your career as well as for your love life along with the guidance video. Okay, so there are 4 piles, and yes, this is not a timeless reading because this is only for this week from I guess Monday to Monday or Tuesday to Tuesday. Sorry, I don't know when I'll be uploading it, mostly from Tuesday to Tuesday. Okay, from this Tuesday to next Tuesday. And yes, this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest. And if you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe to it, and do comment in the comment section if you like my videos or not, or if there is any suggestion for me. And yes, feel free to look for my services and book my services. Link will be there in the description box. Okay, so let's begin. There are 4 piles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pile 1 has these leaves. Pile 2 has this bird. Pile 3 has this tree. And 4th one has stars. Okay, you can pause the video, you can meditate, you can use a pendulum or any means to see which pile draws you the most. Also, you can choose more than one pile. Okay, so let's get started with pile number 1. Keep it here. There will be one card for each, for your career as well as for your love life. Okay. Okay, let's begin. Guys, what is there in the love life for pile number 1? Just give me one card, guys. What is there in the love life for pile number 1? Okay. Guys, what is there in career for pile number 1? Let's see guidance for you. What is the guidance for pile number 1 for the overall life in this week, guys? What is the guidance for pile number 1? I won't take this one. Okay, fine, I'll take 2. One more guidance, please. Please give me one more guidance for pile number 1. Give me one more guidance for pile number 1. Do you want to come out for you? It's fine. I'll take both of them. So let's begin. For your love life, I see Queen of Wands. For your career, I see the Lovers. Okay. We'll see the guidance cards later. In your love life, I see you are trying to control a situation. Okay, you are trying to control a situation. You are trying to fight with a situation basically in your love life. Maybe there is some secret, or you are doubting there is some secret, or your partner is not faithful to you, or there is something hidden in your relationship and you are trying to find out the whole truth, or trying to control the situation. Maybe your partner is ignoring you and you are trying to get them back and get back in the relationship which used to be. There might also be third party for few of you. Okay, there might also be interruption of a third party due to which your partner has moved away from you or is ignoring you, and again you are trying to really control the situation. And there is hope. I don't say that there is not any hope. You will be really good at it. You'll handle the situation really well. Okay, we'll keep it really short. For your career, I see that with the Lovers card, I say that you might get into a new partnership with somebody. Okay, a new partnership, which will be really good for you, which will be really good, which will give benefits in your career. Okay, maybe your partner, like the person who you are in relationship with, will offer you something related to your career, or you might be working together, you might get into work together, or you might get a project together, and this will bring you two together. Okay, or there might be some new partner who is really trustworthy, in it, or you will trust this person a lot and you will start a new business or new job or new project in partnership, and this will be really beneficial to you. Okay, let's see guidance for you. Oh my god, the Hierophant in reverse and the Tower. A very drastic change is going to come this week for pile number 1. Very drastic change. I will say that do not trust anybody blindly. Okay, do not trust anybody blindly, because mostly what happens is we are betrayed by the person who we trust the most in most of the cases. And with this Hierophant in reverse, I see somebody who you trust or somebody nearby betraying you or going away from you. Not necessarily a betrayal, but something will be really challenging for you. It will really make your world upside down. Okay, really shake the things up, and most likely it will be in your love life. Most likely there might be a possible breakup. I'm really sorry to say, but most likely it will be a breakup, or I'm really sorry to say that. Yes, see, now I get the whole picture. There is some interruption from, there is definitely a third party, and your person might go away from you because of this. But I don't know why I'm getting positive vibes from this card. Maybe you will get clarity. Maybe you'll get clarity. You might be stuck in some situation and you will get clarity. Okay, you will get clarity on many things you have been waiting for since a long time. And with this card, I'll see that you will really control the situation really well. You will control the situation well. But just be careful. Just be careful. For few of you, if you are, few of you who are married, there might also be a divorce. I'm really sorry to say there might also be a divorce. Let's see guidance. Other guidance is for you. Approaching Guru, what it says: just learn the truth, approach a Guru with humility, inquire from them submissively and render service. The self-realized can impart transcendental knowledge, for they have seen reality. Basically, guides are telling you to surrender to them, to surrender to the universe, basically, because whatever will be, will be. You might learn a truth, you know. Yes, you might learn a truth about your connection which might just shake your world. But this will be for your betterment. This will be for your betterment, okay? You will be really able to control the situation. And this will be for your good. Just surrender to the universe. Just surrender to your guides. Seek their help and they will help you out, okay? The other one is the Destroyer. What it says: I am death, destroyer of all. I am the source of all things yet to be. Of women, I am fame, prosperity, speech, memory, intelligence, faithfulness, and patience. Yes, this is kind of a death card in the tarot. And yes, death card and tower card, something definitely coming to an end, some drastic transition. Okay? But as I told you, it will be for your good. if you are stuck in some situation and it is inhibiting you from moving forward, then this tower and the death will give you closure, I would say. You will be able to move on easily. I won't say easily, I'm really sorry. Not easily, but you will be able to move on in your life. You will get clarity on the situation. Okay, you might be waiting for things for a long time, but yes, this week there are going to be many things which will be clear to you. Okay, so pile number 1, this was your reading. I hope it resonates with you. Now we'll move on to pile number 2. I'll just keep it here. So pile number 2, people who chose this bird. Let's see what your cards say. Guides, please give me cards related to love and career for pile number 2. Give me a single card for pile number 2 is love life, guides. Give me a single card for the love life for this week for pile number 2. What will be in career in this week for pile number 2? Okay. Give me a single guidance card for pile number 2, guides. Give me a single guidance card for pile number 2. Give me a single guidance card for pile number 2. Single guidance for give me a single guidance for pile number 2. These cards are really big for my hands to handle. Okay, we got one. So let's see in your love life. Oh my god, the world. I need a clarifier for it. Ace of Wands in reverse for your career. Just a second, I'll pick a clarifier for the world. Either something is coming to an end or something is really fulfilling in your love life. Why is this world card here, spirits? Why is the world card here? And yes, people, please stay till the end because I have messages of gratitude for each pile. I'll discuss about it at the end. Okay, 3 of Pentacles. Yes, your relation, this is not a completion, this is not a breakup, but this is fulfillment of your desires. Basically, your hard work will pay off. Okay, in your relationship, maybe you are trying to work on making your relationship better for a long time, or you are trying to if you are in separation, you are trying to contact your partner or get back into a relationship, reconcile with them. So this week your efforts will be fruitful. Okay, you will get results, desired results this week in your love life. It is a clear message, it is a very good message. This will be a fulfilling relationship, all your wishes coming true. Okay, coming to your career, things will not be that good in your career, I'll say. You will kind of feel helpless, unable to control things going out of your hand, and things will be going downhill, and you will not be able to control the situation. Maybe you suffer loss in your career, your business or your job. Maybe some financial issues will be there, but you can't do much about it. Okay, this is there for you this week. Let's see guidance for you. The Magician in reverse. Yes, you can't do much. This guidance is mostly for your career. This is what I feel. You can't do much about it because your love life is really good. I see your love life is really good. Let me see one more. Why is the World card here, spirits? Why is the World card here? Why is the World card here? Why is the World card here, spirits? will not take both of them. Why is the World card here, spirits? I'll take this. Well, things are really complicated, guys. I don't know why there's a sudden twist. But I don't know why I'm getting a very positive vibe for your love life this week. Though the strength card, I got the strength card in reverse. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. It kind of denotes this helplessness and unable to control things, kind of giving up. So after a lot of efforts, maybe you will be giving up on your connection, and you will believe that this connection is over. There is nothing left for few of you. Okay. But for few of you, it will be that, as this is a general reading, for few of you, I'm getting mixed vibes. I know, I'm getting more of positive vibes from this, even though the strength card is in reverse. I don't know why. So it might be that for few of you, when you lose hope, when you kind of give up on your connection, if you're trying to reconcile, when you kind of give up on your efforts and on your connection, there will be an unexpected reconciliation with a partner. And for few of you, it might be that you will just give up and walk away. You will just get tired of your efforts and you will just walk away. This might be the case. This is why this Magician is in reverse, because this week I have already told about this Ace of Wands in reverse, that you will be unable to control your career, your professional life. And even in this, you will be unable to control it, though you will have a lot of efforts. But even if you reconcile, and even if you don't, you will get the things once you give up or once you don't expect. Okay, so you will feel that nothing is there in your control, and you will kind of give up. And that will be the time when your partner will come back to you for half of you, and you will move on. This will be for half of you. So in any situation, your efforts will, basically nothing will be there in your hands. You will just leave it to destiny. You will leave it to God. Okay. Just see what is the overcoming fear. What it says: no effort on the yoga path is ever lost, nor can any obstacle ever hold one back forever. Just a little progress on this path can protect one from the greatest fears. So again, this card is telling that if you give up, you feel that things not going in your favor, okay, you will kind of give up on this situation. So guides are telling you that your effort will not go in vain, okay. This is just an obstacle and you will overcome it. Even if in your relationship you will try to move on, or in your professional life you will lose hopes of things getting better because of whatever issues. So guides are telling you that any obstacle cannot hold you back, and your efforts will never go in vain. Just keep that in mind. Just be determined and progress towards your path. Okay, do not be fearful, do not give up, because yes, this week might be a tough one for you. Things will go out of control, out of your hands. Okay, so pile number 2, this was your reading. Let's move on to pile number 3. So people who chose this tree, pile number 3, let's see what it says. Okay. Love and career for pile number 3. Love and career for pile number 3. Spirits, love and career for pile number 3. What will be the love life of pile number 3 in this week, spirits? Love life of pile number 3. Give me a single card. Love life of pile number 3 in this week. What will be? Okay. What will be the career of pile number 3 in this week? Career of pile number 3 this week, spirit. Single card. I'm not going to take 3 cards, but it's only single card for pile number. Okay. got one. A single card as guidance for pile number 3, spirits. Oh my god. Okay. Guidance for pile number 3, spirits. Guidance for pile number 3. Guidance for pile number 3. Oops. Give me a single guidance card for pile number 3, spirits. Just give me a single guidance card for pile number 3. Just give me a single guidance card. Number 3. I'll take these two. No, I won't take. Which one shall I take, guys? I'm getting similar vibes from these two. I'll take these two. Ace of Wands reversed for your love life. 9 of Pentacles reversed for your career. See, again, things will not be in your control, things will not go in your favor. Maybe you will try to hold on to your relation and your partner might ignore you, or just, I'm sorry to say, but it might also be break up for few of you. I'm really sorry to say. I don't know, this week is... Anyways. And yes, basically you couldn't do much about your love life this week. Things will be going, you just need to go with the flow. Actually, you can't control the things, and I see that most of you are tired of working on your relationship, trying to make things good, right? And most of you will be just giving up and letting go of the things this week in your love life. And yes, coming to your career in this, with this 9 of Pentacles in reverse, I see some kind of codependency. Basically, you will rely on somebody for your work. You will depend on somebody for your work, or your work might be stuck and you will be waiting for, like, how should I say, maybe your work or your project, if you are working on a project, it will not, it is not getting approved, and you will wait for your senior or your boss to just approve it. Basically, this is kind of, you will be waiting, you will be depending on somebody for success in your project or in your career this week, okay? Even though you don't want to, you won't be willing to, but you have to depend or wait for that person, basically, to get help from. You might be trying to get help from somebody, so you will be waiting for their help, or basically you won't be able to work independently without anybody's help in your career or in your business or anything, okay? I see strong codependency here. Though you would like to be independent, but basically you will be helpless. You will have no other option than to wait for this person to approve your work or to help you, okay? Let's see what, yes, the Judgment in reverse. Yes, basically things not going in your favor, things not going right, things not going as they were supposed to be, or as they were expected to be, basically, okay? You will feel this is kind of injustice to you, or maybe you have put lot of efforts and work, but you are just getting the opposite results, okay? So guides are telling you to Just be patient, okay? Just be patient, because this week is a bit of ups and downs, okay? Just be patient, because yes, this week things will not be in your favor. I see with the Judgment in reverse. Let's see guidance for you. Sense control, what it says. One who is able to withdraw the senses from their objects, like a tortoise drawing its limbs within its shell, is firmly established in wisdom. So basically this card says that you need to be patient, as I told you. You need to control your negative emotions, negative thoughts, which might worsen the things, okay? I know things will not be in your favor, but you need to just control it. You need to control your negative thoughts, because negative thoughts manifest really fast, okay? Just be wise enough, because negative thoughts take away our wisdom also, okay? So whenever you are in an adverse situation, just make yourself believe that everything is going in your highest good. Everything is working for your highest good. It is just a matter of time, okay? Let's see what the other card says. Conquering lust. This is kind of a similar one. Knowing the self to be transcendental to the intelligence, one should control the lower self by the higher self, and thus by spiritual strength defeat this elusive enemy known as lust. So lust here would mean negative thoughts. Again, this kind of similar card. So basically this card guides you towards spiritual practices, like you can do meditation, or you can take a walk in the nature, or I would also include workout here. Basically do anything which helps you to calm your mind. This card talks about spirituality, so you can also meditate, you can do healing, you can heal yourself, you can seek guidance from your higher self or your guides to guide you towards the right path, because this will be a challenging week for you, okay? So basically both these cards speak of overcoming negative emotions, overcoming negative thoughts, and just working on yourself being positive and optimistic, okay? So pile number 3, this was your reading. Let's come to the final pile, that is pile number 4, people who chose stars. Guides, please give me cards for pile number 4 for the love and the career for this week. Cards for pile number 4 for the love and career for this week. Guys, please give me a single card for love life of pile number 4 for this week. Just give me a single card. I really love it. Well, okay, I'll take these two. They just flew off, so I'll take these two for love life. Spirits, give me a single card for career of pile number 4. Give me a single. Okay. What is the guidance for this week for pile number 4? Guidance for this week for pile number 4. Give me a single card, guides. Guidance for this week for pile number 4. Guidance for this week for pile number 4. Spirits, guidance for this week for pile number 4. Guidance for this week for pile number 4. Guidance for this week for pile number 4. Guidance. Okay. So pile number 4, let's see your love life first. Knight of Cups reversed. The Judgment. Oh my God. Walking out of a situation or relationship. Maybe some relationship which was not serving you, right? You felt this is the right thing to do, to walk out of this connection. Maybe this was a new love, a budding love, but few things went wrong, or you feel it is better to walk out of this relationship. Maybe this is just a crush of yours and you just don't want this relationship. You feel that it is better not to fall into this relationship, right? Or it might also be for few of you that you were beginning to like somebody, but you came to know about them, some truth about them. Basically, maybe they are already in a relationship with someone, or something about them which made you just withdraw. Okay, because these two cards coming out, this Judgment clearly means that you feel this is the right thing to do, or even if you don't feel, if in case you don't feel that this is the right thing to do, it is a divinely basically it is kind of a divine guidance that breaking up, if you were in a relationship, or moving out of a relationship, is for your good. It is by the will of the divine. Okay, this is the right thing for you. Basically, this is the right thing for you. So I would say that whatever happened is for your good, or whatever will happen this week is for your good. So do not be upset about it. Okay, let's see your career. The Empress in reverse. I don't think anybody has a good career this week. Okay, anyways, the Empress in reverse. I see you had invested a lot. You have invested a lot in your career. You might have given your 100%. Okay, your 100% in something, in some project or some career, and everybody admired you. I would say everybody admired you for your work, but results are not there in your favor. I don't know why. Results will not be there in your favor. I'm not saying that it won't be ever, but results will not be in your favor this week. It might be you get results next week, because this reading is only for this week. Okay, so results will not be in favor of you, and this is why you might feel powerless. You might feel that all your efforts and all your confidence have no value. For few of you, it might also be that your love life will affect your career. Okay, because of this breakup, few of you who don't feel this to be the right thing, who feel this is kind of injustice, they need to believe that this is a divine guidance, this is the right thing to do. So you might be upset about it, and this might affect your career. You will feel low self-esteem and basically helpless or powerless, and you will just struggle with, you will lose confidence. Basically, you will lose confidence in yourself, and you will just lose faith that you will be able to make anything right, or anything right can happen to you in your career. So this might be the case for few of you. Let's see guidance. The Fool in reverse. Yes, you will be stuck. Okay, you will be stuck even in your career as well as here. It will be very difficult for you for a fresh start. So majority of you, this Judgment card is for the divine will. For few of you, it is that you think that ending of this relationship is good, but for majority of you, you will be really upset and you will be unable to let go. But guides are telling you, this is why these two cards flew and this card came out, because guides want to tell you that this is the right thing. Whatever is happening is for your best. Okay, so you will be stuck, but guides are telling you not to give up, not to lose faith. Okay, not to lose faith, not to give up. Just have trust that you can rebuild the things. There is no need of giving up on anything. You will just rebuild the things. You will just get success in whatever you have. There is no need of a fresh start or leaving something behind. Okay, you have this intellect, you have this I would say capability within you. You have this control and capability and talent within you to make the wrong things right, convert wrong into right. Okay, so just have faith in that. You will rebuild the things. You will rebuild. This week is a bit stressful, but you will get through it. Okay, let's see guidance for you. Beyond scripture, what it says: whatever purposes are served by a small pond are achieved by the great reservoirs of water. Similarly, all the purposes of the Vedas are accomplished by the one who knows God. So this card is telling you, you were just looking at the smaller picture, okay? In these failures, somewhere there is a purpose hidden. There is something, some clue, some hint hidden which will take you towards greater success, okay? You are just focusing on the smaller things. Universe wants you to give bigger things. Just look into these things and think what opportunities are hidden here, what opportunities are hidden here for you, how you might utilize these things, because you have this capability within you. As I told you, you have this capability to rebuild things, okay? You are just looking at the smaller picture. Just look at the bigger picture and trust God, okay? Trust, have faith in God, think positive, and just rethink that what you can make out of this situation. How can you convert this situation into your favor, in your favor, okay? So pile number 4, this was your reading. I hope it resonates with you. Do let me know in the comment section if it does or not, and if you have any suggestions, do let me know. And now we will see thank you notes for all of you, okay? Pile number 1, 2, 3, 4. Where are my notes? Yes, here. These are the notes of gratitude. I'll have one for each of you of the good things you need to focus on this week, okay? I'll pick one for each. Spirits, what is the thank you note for pile number 1? Just give me a thank you note for pile number 1, spirits. Thank you note for pile number 3, guys. Thank you note for pile number 3. And 4. Yes. Let's see what guides are telling you. Pile number 1 has love. I hope you can see this, okay? So guides are telling you to focus on love, self-love, self-care, love others, get love, spread love, give love, take love, okay? So just do not focus on any negative things. I don't know what cards you got, but do not focus on anything negative. Actually, I don't remember what were the cards. So anyways, they tell you not to focus on anything negative. Just focus on unconditional love towards you as well as towards other, because whatever you give into the universe or whatever you give to others, this is what you get back, okay? So just focus on love. Let's see what is the gratitude note for pile number, oh, we have 2 anyways. Spirituality, and number 2 is hobby. So guides are telling you to focus on your hobbies, work on yourself basically. Maybe you are not having a good week, because I really don't remember what cards you got, but guides are telling you to focus on spirituality. Spirituality in the sense, heal yourself, meditate, take a walk in the nature, or anything related, any spiritual practice which gives you peace of mind. Okay, listen to some meditation music or subliminals or anything of that sort. And yes, work on your hobby, because this is for sure that you are really creative and talented. Work on your hobby, work on the things which make you happy, which raise your vibes. This will really help you this week, okay? Let's see what pile number 3, seek blessings. Okay. So guides are telling you to help others, respect others, help your, I would say, colleagues, your friends, help the poor, downtrodden, or respect your elders, help them. Just seek blessings of others, okay, in any way. It will really help you in getting positivity and getting success basically, okay? Because blessings are really powerful, guys. Blessings are really powerful. Just collect blessings. If you are really spiritual, and if you love, if you have faith in God and universe or divine or whatever you call it, just pray to God, seek blessings from your guides, seek blessings from God, give all your problems to them, and just be open to them, tell all your problems to them, and just pray to them to just take away all your negativities and shower the blessings on you. Okay, show you the right path. Let's see what pile number 4 says. Sorry, thank you note for pile number 4 says, seek guidance. This is kind of a similar one. Seek guidance is kind of, if you have any person who is trustworthy, maybe your family, your parents, your friends, your counselor also, or your guides, angels, God, divine, whatever you believe in, universe, just seek guidance for them. Ask them to show you the correct path. Okay, ask them to show you the correct path. Look for signs. If universe gives you any signs, look for those signs. You can also discuss things with your friends and family and any trustworthy person or your counselor. They will guide you towards the right path, but do not fall into a trap of any wrong person. Okay, just disclose your feelings only to trustworthy people. Okay, so this was your weekly reading for your career as well as for your love life. I hope it resonates with you, and do let me know in the comment section, guys. And if you like my channel, do like, share and subscribe. And in case of any help or guidance, healing sessions, crystals or any services of mine, feel free to contact me. Link will be in the description box below. Okay, I hope you are having a great week full of positivity. Do not forget to be positive, because life cannot be in a straight line. Okay, I know it comes down, but only when it comes down it can go up, right? So just be positive and optimistic. Okay, I hope you'll have a great week ahead. Take care till we meet again.